Welcome to HRX360. In this video, we'll guide you through the Nationality Master feature, where you can efficiently manage employee nationalities within your organization. The Nationality Master in HRX360 helps you manage employee nationalities effectively. It allows you to create unique nationality codes and names, making it easy to categorize employees. This feature also ensures compliance with reporting requirements and localization policies, helping HR teams streamline their workforce data management. To begin, navigate to the Setup menu, then select HR Configuration. Under HR Configuration, click on Nationality. This will take you to the Nationality Master page. On this page, you can see a list of all existing nationalities. You can sort, filter, or search for a specific nationality to quickly find and manage employee data. To add a new nationality, click the Add Nationality button. Enter the nationality code, a unique code for the nationality. Then enter the nationality name. Once done, click Add to save the new nationality. To edit an existing nationality, click the edit icon next to the nationality. Make the necessary changes and click Edit to save. To delete an existing nationality, click the Delete icon. A confirmation dialog box will appear, warning you that this action cannot be undone. If you're certain, click Delete to permanently remove the nationality. Otherwise, click Cancel to go back. Once deleted, the nationality is permanently removed from the system. To export nationality details, click the download icon located on the top right of the nationality list. The system will generate an Excel file containing all the nationality details, making it easy to manage or share data outside the system. And that's all. You now know how to add, edit, delete, and export nationality records using the HRX360 Nationality Master. Thank you for watching, and happy managing with HRX360.